Good afternoon, everyone. We are now in Indonesia for an intensive welding training program to prepare for the WorldSkills Competition. A competitor and an instructor from Arua Technical Institute in Uganda are taking part in this training. For about 40 days, the competitor will receive intensive training with the support of a Korean welding expert and an Indonesian assistant instructor. Today, I would like to hear how the competitor feels about this training and what the instructor expects from this valuable experience. First, let us meet our Ugandan competitor. Hello, please tell us your name and your training institute.
My name is Butoro Elizabeth Mirabel, and I'm a student from Arua Technical Institute.
How is your training like here in Indonesia?
At first, the training was a little difficult, but now I'm getting used as I'm doing practice and I'm getting better every day.
What is your goal for this training?
My goal is to do well at the WorldSkills Competition, but even if I don't win, at least it has given me a great opportunity to learn and improve, and I will keep on welding until the end.
Thank you very much.
Well,
Thank you. Please tell us your name and your institute.
My name is Stuart Businge, welding instructor in Arua Technical Institute, Uganda.
Okay, what do you think about this training in Indonesia?
This training in Indonesia is so intensive and advanced.
What do you hope to gain from this training?
I hope supporting our competitor in the training and taking back the skills and knowledge. I'm also learning back to Uganda to train the young people of Uganda and Arua at large.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
How will you support the competitor during this training?
I will do my best to help our competitor improve her welding skills and prepare confidently for the WorldSkills Competition. Take